This model kit review is of the 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, the Yenko, and it is a 1/25th scale model by Revell, and some details about the model. And here's another color that actually does not look good. Some details of the models here with different options. So let's have a look inside. Get this open here. So here we have the body, and that looks really nice, well molded. Here's our the back chrome area. It's going to need to be repainted because you have to cut those pieces out. Here are our wheels. Well, these actually are tires, kind of hard vinyl. We have exhaust, our hood, some of the interior, radiator, wheels. Here's our tail lights. Also have some good engine detail here. Our seats, and here's our cockpit tub. Here's the other hood with some all these extra parts for the engine. Here are the headers. Here's the chassis and the firewall. Here's our dashboard, suspension parts, and other parts there. Here's some more chrome. Here are our wheels and the front grille. Fair amount of chrome on here. There's some other options here. Here's our clear glass and instructions. We do have decals here. Quite a few decals there. So we start off with the colors needed, and we then start building with the engine. We have two different options if you want to have it turbocharged or not. I guess that would be supercharged. See on top there. And then we build the suspension, axles, radiator, exhausts go together, the engine's then put in, and some of the rest of the corners here are the wheels, different options, and we build our cockpit, and the rest of that cockpit's then built. Next we go to the body. Put in our lights, and then choose a hood as well as the bumpers, and then we put the wheel wells on, glass, and the cockpit tub goes on, firewall goes in, and then goes on the chassis. Here are our exhausts. And then some remaining few parts. Decal and paint guide. There's the other option. So all in all, fairly detailed model, fairly well molded. Not a fan of the chrome, but easily painted over. You can build the engine, all the suspension parts. It's going to be a great model.